everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices, one topic or one feature at a time. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you're able to scan QR codes with your phone screen. You wouldn't have to try to get this to someone else or grab someone else's phone to scan this QR code. Maybe you're looking at something on maybe a document that was sent to you, which was the idea for this video. I got a document sent to me giving me all the details about school pictures. The bottom right-hand side, it had a QR code for me to scan, but because I didn't open it on my computer and then scan it with my phone's camera, I looked at it on my phone. All I did was this, because you can do this in two different ways. To make this super simple, just take a screenshot of the QR code on your screen. First off, let's say that you look at this screen here and you want to do this the easiest way. And if you have Samsung One UI 7 or One UI 8 and you have your Google Gemini that's on the bottom and you're able to press and hold on the bottom to activate it, so this way you can interact with your screen, then you just tap right there and it takes you directly to that link that was embedded inside of that QR code. Now, the other way that you can get this done, let's say that maybe you don't have this option right here. Maybe you can't press on the bottom to activate this. What you can do is, now that you already have this one right here as a screenshot, what you would have to do is press and hold on the screen, and then you just go right there and you go to open link. It's very simple. Super simple. Again, this is just a regular picture that is sitting right here. The other way that you can also get this done is by seeing this little T on the bottom. If you tap this thing right there, then you can tap right in the middle again, and it takes you right over into that link. So there's actually three ways that you can get into this one. So I guess there's actually three ways that you can get this done. If you're looking at the screen again, you can press and hold on the bottom, you tap right there, it'll take you directly there. Or let's say that you're looking at this screen right here, which is, again, you just open this thing up, and if you tapped on the screen, you got all that stuff taken away. If you press and hold, then this is going to pop up the link again. Or let's say that you're looking at this screen right here and you see this T, you can tap on this T, it's going to look at everything, and then you tap right there and then you can open up the link. So that is how you're able to interact with a QR code that is on your screen. The best way to do it, just take a fast screenshot really quick, and then you have all three of those ways. But hopefully you guys have appreciated this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, also famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll.